The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. And boy, what a big Friday it is, too. One of the biggest outdoor weekends of the year. There are three. This one, 4th of July and Labor Day, of course. And I've got my work cut out for me because it's a very important forecast. So I'll tweak the forecast and tell you what to expect, whether you're heading to the lake, and thousands of you are, or the beach, or a park, or maybe an outdoor cookout. It's an important forecast. I have the latest for you for here and the Gulf Coast. Plus, Air Force reconnaissance will be going out, checking out a tropical low off the southeastern U.S. coast, which could develop into maybe a tropical depression or a tropical storm Bonnie. We'll let you know the latest on that. Here we go, your morning weather briefing.
You see all that active weather in the middle of the country again, and some of those clouds, especially some of those high clouds, will spill into Alabama today, so we'll call it a sun and cloud mix. Meanwhile, we're looking in the Atlantic, and we're seeing northeast of the Bahamas, in between the Bahamas and Bermuda, that tropical low developing that the National Hurricane Center is monitoring, so-called Invest 91L, and we're starting to see more convection, more thunderstorms developing near the center. So an 80% chance now that this thing will develop, and you can see the spaghetti models taking this generally in the direction of South Carolina for the most part, maybe, Georgia's South Carolina coast over the weekend. Meanwhile, the Storm Prediction Center has a large area of outlook enhanced severe weather risk today with the threat of tornadoes out in the plain states. Another busy day there. For us, a sun and cloud mix today. Rain chances under 20%, but not zero. High around 90. We made 90 yesterday. Low tonight 67. South winds at 6 to 13 miles per hour. A nice breeze. Some spotty showers around tomorrow. You see that tropical low off the Carolina coast. That's not going to bother Alabama, but we're just taking note of it as it moves onshore around Charleston Sunday. Hot and humid with a few stray showers. Rain chances running about 20%. That's par for the course for a summer day. Same thing on Memorial Day. A hot day with some spotty showers around and that remnant low near the Georgia, South Carolina border. So, around 90 today, tomorrow, really the next few days, Rain chances running about 10% today, 20% at best Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. That's typical. We could see a couple of days go above 90 degrees. Down at the beaches, and thousands of you are heading there. Low to mid-80s for the next few days. Rain chances under 20%. The Gulf water temperature has now gone up to 80 degrees. There is a low rip current risk listed from the Weather Service. We'll keep an eye on that for you, but watch the flags wherever you are. Hey, the GFS has some ridiculous numbers next week, showing even some upper 90s by around Wednesday or Thursday. That's really crazy numbers. But then you compare it to the other global model, the European, and you see like 95 around Thursday. So you start to wonder, looks like some pretty excessive temperatures are possible later on next week. We'll keep an eye on that. Scattered showers will be around from time to time. That's the blue bars you're seeing on the bottom on the 10-day forecast from the European. So, that's a typical feature in summertime. Maybe some better rain chances the following weekend, not this weekend, but the weekend of Saturday, June 4th, and the Friday before that, maybe. That's what the long-range models are starting to indicate. We'll keep an eye on that because there's a lot of big events going on, including music festivals next weekend.
Hey, something I didn't mention on the video that I should have mentioned, there is a space station flyover coming up tomorrow night from about 8:12 to 8:15 from the southwest sky across to the northeast sky. Again, that's Saturday night, 8:12 to 8:15. I'll have a separate post about that. Here's the deal about weekend weather now. There will be weather posts over the weekend to keep you up to date on Facebook and Twitter. There will be no formal video briefing until Tuesday morning, but there will be there might be a video somewhere along the way from a remote location. I will be at a remote location for your Tuesday morning video. Plus, I'll be live on the radio this morning, and a live update from the Blue Water Weather Center coming up at 11 o'clock at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. Boy, I'm glad I don't have to say that again. There's a lot of information there, but I hope you have a great holiday weekend. I'll talk to you later, and have a good one. I'll see you then.
Rich Thomas Weather.